Caleb.
Day with Caleb here, and today we are doing something quite unique. I have this briefcase, and we are going to be taking a look what's inside the briefcase. Comment down below right now your guesses as to what is in this briefcase. Is it my birth certificate? Is it stock exchange? Is it coins? What is inside? Comment down below, or you can watch the whole video and find out. So let's open the case and see what's inside. As you can see, it is not my birth certificate. These we actually did a video on. Let's see. Yeah, we did all these. I'll comment, or I'll put a picture right there of the video. It was autographed pictures, the first part. Then me and my boys there, Chris, and Tom, the Avengers cast. Then these are pretty cool. This is the press kit for the Mummy. A press kit is something like at a movie junket. Where they play the movie for press, you would get a press kit. Just some photos there. Then you would get this book. It lists the cast. It talks about the movie, some of the special effects, the director. Then they could add notes about the film if they wanted to. So that is very cool to have these. These are not something you find at Walmart. These are pretty rare to find. So we have the Mummy. Then we have, actually we have two Mummy press kits. I'd say they're rare enough, two of them. Then we have Mummy Returns press kit. Man, that is in there. Let's see, yeah. How did I get that in there? So then we have the Mummy Returns press kit. Same kind of deal. I think Mummy was done a little nicer, but we have the pictures. Then this doesn't really come with a book, it's kind of what it does. Then it kind of has an overview of the film. Then it has coming up films. Then it has Dear Press Colleague, so like a little letter. So this one might be done better. Then the same kind of book. So that is very cool, especially this coming attractions thing. Then I'm a sucker for anything to do with Egypt. So we have Life magazine, The Marvels of Egypt's Past. Let's see if we can see anything here. These Life magazines were pretty cool. Pretty big as well. You can see there. Oh, that's 2001 Space Odyssey. Where's Egypt? Here we are. Egypt. Very cool. Some artifacts there. So, Life magazine. This was $1 at an antique mall. So that's pretty neat. Then we have Wonder Woman for President. It is a calendar with all these covers of comics. Then we have these lithograph sets. So you open it up there, and it's lithographs from the film Brother Bear. Then we have Cinderella. Same deal, you open it up, you have lithographs from the film. So that is very cool. Then this came with the Blu-ray that I got. And I am a Spider-Man fan, so of course had to get this. Well, it came with, so I didn't get it. But this is Amazing Spider-Man 2. Just, can we, let's see. So there's Electro, there's Spider-Man, Electro, and there's Spider-Man. So these are lithograph-ish. Then it came with a certificate of authenticity. So that is cool. Then we have Summer Sickness. I don't really know who this is. He sent me a sticker a while back free, so no, I'm kidding. It's my buddy Dave, Cinema Sickness. Now it's Cinema Thrifting. He just changed his channel. So that is cool. I did have another sticker on my desk area, but it broke. So I need to put that one up when I get a new one. This is like a water, tattoo thing. Then, let's see. Okay, we have more of the press kits. This is from Twister. These were in the Warner Brothers box set, but I got some. You can go back on the Warner Brothers box set and look at those. I don't really want to take those out. Let's see, what's this? Some of this, it's hard to remember. Oh, yeah, okay. So, poster there, and yeah, this came with one of the Stanley boxes. So I believe that's Stanley there, and then you have the Marvel characters there. So that is very cool. Need to remember that. And then, oh yeah, okay. We have Mickey drawing, kind of like Norman Rockwell style. Got this at Disneyland. Then, what is this? Oh, this was a birthday card from my mom, I believe. Spider-Man. So I had to keep that. Then that's kind of a letter from Disney. I believe this was when we started going back to Disney in 2015, early 2016 maybe. We have Roadrunner, Johnny Quest. Then we have some Sports Illustrated, Michael Jordan, kind of like a shiny, transparent thing there. Then Busting Loose. They finally conquered the Knicks here. Was this 90, 92? So they finally break free of the Knicks. So they won in 9-1 against the Lakers. They faced the Pistons. So yeah, okay. Trying to remember, I just watched the Last Dance, very good documentary, on a collision course with Clyde the Drexler. Then this one's cool, Man in the Middle, Phil Jackson, Pippen, and Jordan. Then this one I keep in here for a very special reason. We used to rent comics at a local library before I started buying them. This was kind of the reason we started buying them. We checked this out. I was reading it. I left on the nightstand. It fell underneath the nightstand and kind of went under the chair, so we couldn't find it. So it was like a $25 charge for one comic book. So after that, our mom's like, no more renting comic books, we can rent books, we'll just buy comics, and that kind of started the whole craze. So I keep this bad boy in here in the briefcase to kind of remind me where it all started. I did, in the comic book collection, mention that my first comic book was Fantastic Four, and that is true. We did go to, was it Gatlinburg, I think, and we went and I bought that comic. We moved months later and I found this after we had paid the fee. So I couldn't return it, so that's a special one there. Then we have just some random art here. Spider-Man. Oh yeah. Jean Grey. Archangel, Mystique. Comment down below your favorite Mystique. Mine, of course, is Rebecca Romaine. Too good as Mystique. Then we have Wolverine. Storm here. Rogue. Such a cool poster there. Cyclops, even though he really didn't become Cyclops. I mean, he did kind of at the end there, but anyway. Then, our trip to Hollywood. These are, yeah, okay. These are postcards from my college trip to the UK. So any place we went that was significant, I would get a postcard. So this, actually, okay, this is Disney. Oh, this is so cool. Kind of the history of Disney. You can kind of pause it. So throughout the years, that is so cool. But the rest of these are from the UK. This is London, when we went there. Oh yeah, okay. Edinburgh. I'll just kind of pull some random ones here. That's a better London one there. Edinburgh. Okay, where's something different? Scotland. Oh, Loch Ness. Didn't find the Loch Ness monster. We looked. Did I say Scotland? Wales is in here somewhere. I got a bunch of London and Edinburgh. Okay, this is where I spent most of my time. Oxford. Didn't go to school in Oxford. We just were, we stayed there on the weekends. My cousin is in Oxford. She lives there. Broadway. And these are Thomas Kincaid, right? Me and Marilyn at Universal Studios Hollywood. Berry College. That is where my cousin graduated. Then, let's see, what is this here? See, some of this I have no idea about. What is this? Oh, another Life magazine, Year in Pictures. Then these are Chevy Chase Funny Farm. What's this? K-Shape 2. And Worth Winning. I need to watch that. I don't think I've seen Worth Winning. Then let's see. Let's kind of do the bottom here quickly. These are just kind of some newspaper articles. Let's see. Talks about, oh, here we go. A Stanley article. These are comics that Phil Ortiz gave us at Wizard Road. Wolverine. a local friend was in the paper. Hulk. Avengers, the article on the movie there. Then we have some like trading cards. Oh, this one sadly might be worth a lot now. I say sadly because it's Kobe Bryant. Rest in peace, Kobe, one of my favorite players. Then we have Jordan, Ray Allen. Then we have a bunch of just trading, sports trading cards, some Lion King trading cards. Then we have a basketball license, Kobe Bryant. Justin Timberlake. Then we'll end with these here. Well, I'll show like one more thing. But you can't really tell, well, maybe you can. These are film sales from the Lion King. Can you see it at all there? Okay, then we'll show one more thing here. These are laser tag. When I went to college, there was a laser tag kind of right near us, and we would go pretty often. Never won. My roommate Nathan would always win. But I did get close several times. But I was always on his team, so if I was on his team, we pretty much won. So that was everything in the briefcase. Did your comment pay off? Were you right? Did you guess right, or was this all totally off the wall? It probably was for most of us, because I didn't even know half the stuff that was in here. So a little unique today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Smash that like button if you did. Comment down below if you have like a little treasure box where you keep little mementos. This is not actually my treasure box. What it is, it's my briefcase where I keep most of my stuff. Down the road, I had it on my list to do a video on that. Kind of my memory boxes. That's more personal. Gets into some old like crushes I had and stuff. We'll see. We'll see. Like letters and stuff like that. And some random stuff like fortune cookie, like little fortunes. Anyway, comment down below if you would want that video. It's on the list, but it is like way down the road, maybe like a year from now. So we'll see. But this was one of them. I kind of keep more. There's some memory stuff in here, but it's mostly like memorabilia type stuff. So, like I said, hit that like button, comment down below anything you want to, share with a friend who you think might enjoy this video. If you're brand new to the channel, subscribe down below. It truly does help this channel grow and succeed. I say we, my brother has his own channel, he doesn't help me. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 1 p.m. That's when my videos drop. Let's see, yep. that's it. Until next time, guys. Case closed.